All right, if you're a business owner, you know the drill. Managing all your different services can feel like a total juggling act. Well, today we're going to dive into a tool that makes that whole process way simpler, the Decor Technologies WhatsApp Service Bot. We're going to walk through, step by step, how one little chat message can open up an entire menu of really powerful business tools.
I mean, think about it. You need to send out an SMS campaign, file your GST, or maybe even get an e-commerce project off the ground. What if you could kick all of that off with just a quick message on WhatsApp? That's exactly the headache this service bot is built to solve.
Okay, so where do you even begin? The whole thing is designed to be super smooth, and it all starts with a single message in an app you're probably already using all day, every day, WhatsApp.
To get the bot going, all you have to do is send a hi or a hello to their official WhatsApp number. That's it. No complicated commands or codes to remember. The idea is to make it feel as natural as just starting a conversation with someone.
And boom! Almost instantly, the bot replies with a welcome message. But this isn't just a friendly greeting. It actually gives you a really important first choice. Are you here for personal stuff or for business?
So this is your first fork in the road. If you type 2 for a personal chat, you just get a quick, friendly auto reply that says, hey, I'll get back to you when I'm free. But the real power, the whole reason we're here, is behind option 1. That's what unlocks the entire business menu. So let's see what's inside.
Right, so once you've picked the business option, you get right into the main menu. This is where you see the full range of what Decor Technologies can actually do for you, and everything is numbered to make it incredibly easy to navigate.
And here's a quick look at the sheer breadth of services you can pick from. Now, these aren't steps you have to follow in order. It's more like a menu of options. You've got everything from marketing tools like SMS and email, all the way to core business stuff like web development and finance. Let's break each one down. First up at number 3 is bulk SMS. And this isn't just one thing. It covers all kinds of messaging. You've got your DLT-approved template messages, which are essential for businesses in India, all the way to things like flash SMS that just pop up right on the screen, and even international messaging. Next, of course, are WhatsApp services. What's really interesting here is just how flexible it is. You can go for the official Meta API to get that trusted blue tick verification for your business, or you can use other solutions for things like promotional campaigns and automated reply bots. Lots of options.
Option 5 is bulk email. This one's pretty straightforward. It's your workhorse for large-scale outreach. So whether you're sending out a monthly newsletter or a huge marketing blast, this is the service built to handle those high volumes without breaking a sweat. Moving on from text to audio, we've got bulk voice. Now, this isn't just about one-way call blasts. It also supports interactive systems like IVR, where you hear press 1 for sales, press 2 for support. That's the DTMF option, and it's all in there. Okay, number 7 is absolutely crucial if you're into targeted marketing, databases. This lets you tap into categorized contact lists so you can reach really specific groups of people, like car owners, students, or even high net worth individuals for those premium offers. Now, let's talk about your online presence. Option 8 is all about website development. And they can handle the whole spectrum, from a simple, static one-page site to a complex, dynamic one, and even a full-blown e-commerce store where you can sell your products. Of course, having a website is really only half the battle, right? You need to get people to it. That's where this service comes in. It helps you get seen with digital marketing and ad services across all the big players: Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube. All right, let's get to the financial tools. Option 10 is all about credit card processing. It covers Visa, MasterCard, and corporate cards, and they promise competitive rates. But honestly, the most important part? Instant fund transfers, straight to your account. No waiting around for your money. And finally, we have a service that is an absolute must-have for any business in India: help with your GST and income tax return filings. This is all about making sure your business stays compliant and avoids any headaches with financial regulations. So you've gone through the menu, you've figured out which services you need. What happens next? Well, the bot guides you through the final steps to actually connect with the team and handle payments. After you've made your selections, you get this nice little confirmation message. It's a clear signal that your request is in the system and the automated part of the process is done. From here, a real human team member is going to get in touch to hash out the details. And this is just brilliant. This is how it all gets finalized. The bot sends over all the necessary info in one super clear image. You've got the QR code for UPI payments, the full bank account details, email addresses, the website, and a direct phone number. Everything you need is right there in one place.
And that pretty much wraps up our walkthrough. You know, when you see this whole suite of tools, from marketing all the way to finance, and realize it's all accessible through a simple chat, it really makes you think. It's an awesome reminder of how technology is making it easier than ever to manage a business. So the only question left is, which one of these services could you use to grow your business, like right now?